Kaya mo na yun, tol. Makakonsensya din yung mga yon.
Kaya meron akong sabihin. Meron po akong nagbubuli sa akin. Hindi ko na kumatiis.
Sige, ako bahala. Sabihin ko si yung nangubuli sa'yo para makakonsensya siya sa ginawa niya. Ito ako. Mga prema. Alam mo nang may pinagdadaanan yung tao, kakadyoan mo pa. Tapos sasabihin mo pa ng malita. Dapat hindi ka na dapat sorry ka sa kanila kung ano sinuwa mo mali. Yan sa utang. Sorry nga pala sa ginawa ko sa'yo. Open! Hello mo. Baka mo yan. Galit ka rin sa akin. During lunch break, a student began bullying a classmate by making fun of their appearance. Another student witnessed the incident and decided to intervene by telling the bullies to stop and informing a teacher.
The student chose to stand up for their friend instead of ignoring the bullying.
It was a human act because the student knowingly, freely, and intentionally choose to help their friend. The action was based on reason and moral judgment.
Yes, knowledge the student knew that bullying was wrong.
Freedom. The student freely chose to help without being forced.
What are the consequences? The friend felt supported and safer. The bullying may have stopped. The student may have faced criticism or teasing from